What's up, guys? I'm Finn. Today, my Vector figure came. It's from Despicable Me. I'm gonna open it. Let's go. Okay. Unboxing. My Vector came. It's from Despicable Me. Yeah. There he is, Vector. Yeah. Oh yeah. This is Vector. What is it? This is Vector Perkins. Okay. Go open it inside.